In today's video, I am going to bring you a very cool strategy using the MACD indicator. It is advisable to use this strategy in the time frame of 4 hours or more, mainly in forex, in highly volatile currencies such as the Euro Japanese Yen or British Pound Japanese Yen. The first thing we will have to do is select the MACD indicator and put the parameters of 20, 40, 20 on it. We will change the signal line to red, and we will also deactivate the histogram, since it can confuse us. After adding the MACD indicator, we will have to mark with a red line all the most relevant supports and resistances that we see. In case you don't know what support and resistance are. Support is a price level where a downtrend can be expected to pause due to a concentration of demand or buying interest. As the price of assets or securities drops, demand for the shares increases, thus forming the support line. Meanwhile, resistance zones arise due to selling interest when prices have increased. This simple strategy is based on the MACD line crossing with its signal line, indicating the entry for a trade. The price moves between ups and downs, giving the shape of curves that the MACD clearly shows in its movement. In case you did not know, the MACD indicator collects information from different moving averages and thus helps to identify possible investment opportunities close to support and resistance levels. Now, let's see how to use it to buy. We will open a buy trade when the MACD line, blue, crosses from below to above its signal line, red. We open a buy order at the opening of the candle. We will put the stop loss below the last great low, and our take profit in some zone of support or resistance, previously marked, as long as our risk-benefit ratio is equal to or greater than 1 to 1, that is, we risk 1 to win 1. We will open a sell trade when the MACD line, blue, crosses from above to below its signal line, red. We open a sell order at the opening of the candle. We will put the stop loss above the last great high, and our take profit in some zone of support or resistance, previously marked, as long as our risk-benefit ratio is equal to or greater than 1 to 1, that is, we risk 1 to win 1. Let's see some more operations. Simply incredible. This strategy works very well on high time frames. And ready. I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.